Hey everybody, it's Brian and Dan here, briananddan.com. Hi everybody, this
Hello.
is Justine. Justine's our marketing director. She's responsible for all the good stuff that you guys see on Instagram and Facebook and the newsletter and everything that we do, we owe to Justine. She's the key to our success. So we were just sitting here having our weekly marketing meeting, and we were talking about the properties that we've just sold this past couple of weeks, right? And there's been some pretty interesting stories because the people that I talked to were saying to me, "Oh, I thought the market had really cooled off. I thought that that the market was sort of tapering off." Right? You've been hearing that,
Right, all the time.
all the time,
Right.
and our experience has been just a little bit different the last few weeks. So we thought we would share that with you.
Right.
For
right
instance,
now we were talking about 804 Sutter in Palo Alto.
we just listed one at 804 Sutter Avenue in Palo Alto. It was a more affordable home in Palo Alto, and not a big house. It was 1,056 square feet, right?
Right.
We wound up getting 17 offers in on that property. 17 offers in on that property, and it sold for $600,000 over the asking price. And all of those offers were fully legit. I mean, it wasn't like these were just throwaway offers. I mean, these were serious.
17 people looking to move into Palo Alto.
17 people really looking to move into that price point in Palo Alto. It wound up selling for $2.3 million. We also just sold one in Sunnyvale.
Right.
We represented the buyers. And how
Closed.
many offers did that get in on it? I think it was 6. That one sold for a couple $100,000 over the asking price too. And we're getting a sense of the fact that there's pent-up demand here in Los Gatos, right? Because we've got some listings coming. One here in Los Gatos in a nice neighborhood, sort of in the mid $2 million range.
Correct.
And we've had people
we
asking
sold the other
about
one
it
in Los Gatos at asking price of $2,395 and sold it for
on Quail Hill.
Yep.
Right. And it had multiple offers in on it.
as well.
Right.
So we're seeing it all over the time this season so far, this holiday year.
So far, whatever the
our
news was in the fourth quarter last year, this year, starting about 3-4 weeks ago, the market seems to have really ticked up. Buyer demand is high. The buyers are out there. They're well qualified, and the properties are selling. So the point is, right, if you're thinking about listing your house,
Now is the time.
now is a good time. The buyers are out. The inventory is still relatively low. It's higher than it was this time last year, but it's still low historically. Rates are actually still really good, and it seems as though it's a seller's market. True?
Yep.
Okay, that's great. Perfect.
For more information, go to www.briananddan.com.
2 thumbs up. Okay. I mean, it looks like we're working, right?
That's the point.
Right. So, should we be all like, you know what I was thinking, Dan? Like that?